Hey, today I'm here, nature enthusiast, to talk about the Nature Lovers Midwinter Blues Challenge that's coming up towards the end of this month. I will be your host, Jan Hibbard, and today I'm here to give you some of the details about what's going on in this challenge. The challenge really is all about there's no cost to it or anything like that. It's not a promotion. I'm not really trying to sell you anything. It's really to bring nature lovers together and share things that we love about nature. Now, the reason I'm calling it a challenge is, again, it's going to last for 3 days. There are specific things I'm going to ask you to post each day, and I will be giving away some gifts to the people who participate the most. So it's not per se a real giveaway or anything. You do have to sign up via an email just so you'll get the information on what's going on. I will have a live video each day of the challenge, or that's my goal. I'm not sure if that's going to work out. They may actually have to be pre-recorded because my husband is down in Mass General and I'm spending a lot of time there. But in any event, the challenge goes January 24th, 25th, and 26th. Each day I will come on with a video. In that video, I will tell you what the challenge is that day. But again, the really goal is to get participation. So I want you to invite your friends. I want you to share. I want you to post. I want you to comment. Now, just a thumbs up isn't going to quite do it. That's not really a comment, just a one-word thing. You know, I want to engage with each other. You know, if you like a picture or something, where is it? What did you see? You know, how did you come across this? So different things it's going to be, each day. One day it is going to ask you to post a photograph. It doesn't have to be a professional photograph. I am certainly not a professional photographer. You can probably tell that by my photos. So that's, that's not a requirement. It's just to actually post. So each day of the challenge, to participate, you do need to post the challenge post, but also, again, the more you engage, the more people you invite, the more you share, the more you comment, that's going to bump you up in the gift category. So I'm going to give the largest gift to the person who participates the most, and then I'll give a couple gifts to the next runners up under that. So it is a gift that is going to be determined by me and so forth. And of course, right now I did not bring some of the things I was thinking about giving away with me right now. As you can see, I am not in the place I usually film. I'm upstairs in my house, and as you can see, we are in the middle of a midwinter blizzard. Actually, our first of the year here in New Hampshire, which is rather unusual. We had a completely white Christmas. We've only had 4 inches of snow this whole winter, or whole fall, which we usually get snow in the fall. So this is very unusual, but in any event, it has been snowing. We've got a good 8-10 inches now. So that's what you're seeing behind me is the blizzard. So again, this is going to go January 24th through 26th. My goal right now is to have a video live at 11 o'clock. I may actually bump that up to 9 o'clock because, again, going down south each day. During that video, and also via email, in case you're not on Facebook and things like that, is going to be what to post, where to post it. There will be a hashtag to use so that it goes to the right thing. There is a group, the Wilderness Wonders Celebrating Nature's Beauty Facebook group that I started, but there is also a group that is the Nature Lovers Midwinter Blues Challenge group, which is also where I will post these videos. You can watch replays. But what you need to do is, again, you have the 3 days. You don't have to post day one on day one. I mean, people are busy. Things happen. I get all that. But you do have to have your submissions in, let's say, by 11:45 on the Friday, the 26th, because that's basically, I can't go 11:59. That's what so 11:45 to get your posts in. Then I'm going to try to count up, see who did what and who was engaged the most, commented the most, shared the most, invited the most people, and that person will get the largest prize, which I will hopefully announce the next day on the Saturday, the 27th. Again, that is my plan at this current time. It may not go quite according to schedule. And like I said, you can watch the replays and still respond and comment. You can comment on posts that were early in the day. That's all good. It's really all about getting people to engage with each other and love what we see about nature and enjoy being inspired by other people. That's most of my inspirations come from nature for the things I do. The prizes I will be giving away are handmade leather products that I make, all nature themed. So again, the more people that participate, the larger prizes I'm going to be giving away, the more engagement. I may even let the top prize winner pick from a couple of different things what they want, and so forth. But really, it's all about getting people to engage on Facebook. I will also post the videos on YouTube. I mean, I know everybody is not on Facebook, so I will post them on YouTube too. That way, again, you get my email. That will have a link to the video. Like I said, at this point, they may be pre-recorded. I'm hoping, I don't know if people really need a Q&A on something like this, because, I'm not trying to sell anything here. So I don't think that's probably necessary, as, a lot of challenges have things like that. So I think that's how it's going to go. And so if you want to sign up, you can go to my my website, logcabinleatherbyjan.com, and write it in the menu at the top where it says home, home, shop, all that. Underneath that, it should say Wilderness Wonders or Midwinter Blues Challenge, Nature Lovers Midwinter Blues Challenge, and that will take you directly to the page where you just put your email, and then you will be on the list and get the email about the challenge and what's coming up, and the details of what to post and so forth, and the link to where to post it. So all that will be in the email, so that's all you have to do. You could invite friends, things like that. If you have any questions, please respond to this email. I will also try to respond to this video. I will also try to put a link. Right now I do not have much internet service here at home. I am without TV and internet at the moment, so this will not get posted right away, but when it does, I will add the link also to the sign-up page. Thank you. I look forward to having you join the challenge with me. Have a great day. Bye.